Alis tayo ngayon, guys. Lily, going to camping.
Really?
Yung delivery truck na ano, kayang-kaya niya yan. Come on! O, diba? Galing-galing mag-back up ng ano, sasakyan. Hi guys! Welcome to our vlogs!
Where are we going?
We're going to camping. Ayan, punta kami sa camping, guys. Kasama namin yung mga bata. Tsaka kasama namin yung bunny. Ayan.
We're in the forest.
Yes.
It looks like a jungle.
It is a forest.
No.
16.
Let's get this going.
Hanap tayo ng number tayo dati, 16.
16, yeah.
See.
Ba't ang layo? That's it! Area namin, guys. Ay! Area namin. Ayan. Meron silang ano dito. Pwede kang mag-grill. Diyan, pwede kang mag-grill. Or dito, gusto mong mag-grill dito. Na area. Tapos, ito yung lagayan ng pagkain. Kasi merong beer. So, kailangan ilagay yung food ninyo dito para ano. Tsaka yung garbage. Dala-dala ko pa yung walis ko, guys, kasi maganda to pang linis-linis ba. Pag maraming buhangin. Yung asawa ko, ayan, ginawa niya yung ano, tawag nito, nilagay niya yung ano para hindi mag-shaking yung ano, trailer. So, nandito lang. Walang kuryente dito, guys. Walang kuryente. Yung asawa ko busy, oh. Dali, may laman pa tong ano natin, propane.
Nah.
Water
You
empty.
can try.
It's okay.
I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to go anywhere.
There's an ice cream. Oh.
I want ice cream, but I don't want to go to. I don't want to go to the water. I don't really want ice cream because I'm hot.
People are still swimming.
The water's over there.
Yeah. Remember when Kuya's birthday right here?
No.
Yeah, that ano, that cottage. When Kuya's birthday. Pwedeng magkano dito, guys, oh. When Kuya's 3 years old. Oh, no, you don't remember because when I was pregnant with you. When Kuya's 2 years old, my mom is pregnant. Dami. Beware of alligators. Sobrang linaw ng tubig dito, guys. My scuba divers. Look at this. Look at this. Where's Kuya? Daddy. Sobrang lamig ng tubig, guys. I wanna see. Kuya.
I'm gonna go to film. Heidi, come on. That was fun. Let's shoot the gun. Oh, you.
So cold, kuya.
Oh,
Lamig ng tubig.
no, watch. Watch. No. No, you're saying it. No.
Wash your feet. Nag-inject na lang itong bakit. Pasok ng konti ka na. Fine, nandip yung bahay na lang.
Daddy!
Birada, Daddy. Hi guys! Camping na naman tayo. Meron tayong malaking isda dito guys, oh. Lulutuin natin mamaya. Yeah, barbecue. Yung tofu dyan. Gawa tayo ng ano.
Tutuin mo na ito.
So magluluto tayo ngayon. Ano? Init. Mag-grill tayo ng ano, karne. Sobrang dumi. Masunog yung stick ko.
Ano?
Sana di masunog yung stick.
Good that way.
Well, mahuhulog kasi pag yun. Yan. Sobrang kapal. Gawa tayo ng siomai guys. Kasi gutom na yung mga tao. Ito lang yung pinakamabilis gawin.
What is this, Mari?
Siomai.
Oh yeah. It is siomai.
Pork siomai. Pakuluan lang yan. Mga ilang minutes. Hindi mo siyang i-fried.
It doesn't glow in the dark.
Oh.
Look, a frog. I found it.
Cute. Ano yan, Daddy? Sandali lang, sabi ko. Sandali nga lang. 3, 2, 1. Hello guys. Kain na guys. Nag-start na yung asawa ko. Kumain. Kanina pa. Sobrang laki ng isda natin guys, oh. Huh? Grabe, ang laki. Kain tayo.
Ito yung kalamansi.
Pwede mo lagyan to. Diyan. Mahal to na
Yung
isda.
kalamansi mo. Never mind. Iwan na lang.
Barbecue. Sarap.
Right.
Kailangan pala bigyan ko yung bata. Hindi mere. Lagyan ko ng rice. Hindi mere.
Yeah.
Barbecue. Paborito niya to eh. Tapos
Tokot baboy.
isda. Lalaki ng isda. Masarap tong isda na to ah.
I don't know.
Ha? Tapos lagyan natin ng siomay. Maybe I like this one. Crunchy. Ayaw lumabas yung anak ko.
Dami lamok.
May mga lamok kasi maliliit. Yeah. Okay. Ang daddy yung kumustigo sa anak niya. Gumawa ko ng pork belly, very crunchy. Ha? Sarap niya. Sarap. Ang sarap na ito na isda, daddy.
I know.
Huh?
Good fish.
Parang siyang yung nahuli ko. Makarel. Ha?
I don't know. But I like it when it's hot.
Sinji food.
Hindi ka lumukot-lumot.
Siomay. Meron tayong barbecue, meron tayong siomay, meron tayong isda. Meron tayong pork belly na tukwat baboy. Tukwat baboy. Okay.
Hi guys, we're gonna make some s'mores.
Okay.
Okay, we got this.
Can you open this
We
one
got
first?
that one. First,
Daddy, help your kids to open that.
this is mine here. Juice. We get two. I'm going to get two.
Two?
I'm gonna get
Okay.
2 of them. 1, 2. But not 1.
Make sure you ready your biscuits, your crackers. You ready your crackers? Right here.
Are you ready for our crackers?
Okay, ready for crackers muna, Daddy. Cook them. Yung walang crack.
Time to warm. Time to warm up these. Time to warm.
Wait.
Hey, it's time to warm. Oh.
Okay.
Yes.
That's good. That's good.
Put it apart.
That's good.
But I already put it apart.
Okay, that's good.
Put it apart.
Don't.
I'm gonna put it apart.
Don't, because you're gonna do like that. You have to smurs.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Oops.
It's okay. Just you only have to do like that. Put over there and then you're gonna do like that.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Open your chocolates.
Well, come on, your chocolate. Tom, food. Yeah. Ooh, yum.
2 chocolates only. Let me see.
Chocolate.
Oh, it is. How many chocolates?
2. You see, 1, 2. See?
Mm.
I'm not going to use this one.
Here, 4.
No, I'm going to get 4. I'm going to.
Because that's like that though. Okay. Come on, Limeri, grill your marshmallow. Daddy, can you grill? Mine?
I did it. Done. Not
Go,
yet.
grill.
But we have to warm it.
Go.
Oh no, I got sand in my.
Limeri, hurry up now. Come on.
Then until it's warm.
Make sure that's burned, like, you know, it
Like
melts.
it melts.
Yeah, just like that. Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect, Liam. Good job.
There's a little burn. There's
Don't
a
let it
burn.
touch the thing.
Yeah, charcoal.
Do not touch this thing. You let it touch the charcoal. I see a cat. There's a cat in it.
Daddy, yours is burned now.
Mine is not even cooked
Did you
yet.
prepare your crackers, Daddy?
Perfect. Mine is not perfect. Can you help me?
Oh, yeah.
Mine is perfect.
It's good.
Mine is good.
Use the crackers, Daddy, to put on the top. So that it's like, I know. Okay.
Liam, here.
Mine
Okay.
is pretty good in there.
Mm.
Mine.
That's hers. Okay, press. And then,
Pull it.
oh,
There you go.
We did it.
good job.
Now you make some more.
You got it, baby?
No.
Okay, here.
Oh, what happened?
Why yours is burned?
Oh, the charcoal.
There's a charcoal on it.
Here, let me grab the other one. Look, that one.
Grab the other one. Daddy gonna make another one.
Can you make mine?
Are you guys gonna wear pajama?
How do I put water on it? Do I just...
No, you have to pour it right there in the sink. And put toothpaste in it.
And then put water on it?
Yeah. Pour it. Put the ring home now.
No. No, we're not. Hey!
Oi, it's not yet.
Oh, I go first.
Oh, you're Lily. Welcome, guys. ako ng asawa ko. Yeah. Likot. Babush.
Patay mo na.
I'm sure may available pang ano.
Ito pala yung bato.
Dito yung bathroom na.
Ay, yung tapo ng bato na siguro.
Ganun lang magluto. Yeah.
Bata.
Oh, bata.
This report is sponsored by Staples Stores.
Mga kampeng.
West of the 408, right lanes are blocked. We're backing up from Colonial Drive. Also had an accident westbound on I-4 on the left shoulder past Lake Erie Boulevard. And there was a wreck in the left lane on the ramp from eastbound I-4. There's a crash on Highway 40 Chester Hammond Road in Pearson. An accident westbound on Darrow.
Idadamp. Yung mga dumi-dumi. Ano yan? Ingat ka.
Aray! Ano yung ahas?
May ahas? Let me see. May ahas sa loob?
B.
B?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Anong meron dyan? Yung hose? Diyan magtapon ng dumi. Ba't pinuksan mo agad? Hindi ka pa nga ready.
May dadaanan pa.